We are gonna put in the ground the almond powder. Only three. To put 1 spoon of baking soda in.
Little.
A little bit.
One half of spoon.
We're gonna put half spoon in. There. And next, 1 spoon of icing sugar in it. There. And we are gonna put the blended banana in just 1 spoon. We are going to put all the butter in, I guess. I think we put more icing sugar in it because it's it's like salt. Right, there we go. I'm gonna do much or it'll like spill out. One more spoon.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are gonna put in the microwave. Oh. Oh. This is gonna be weird. Oh no. Here goes nothing. 2 minutes.
Okay.
Now the now the bread has been done.
1
2, 3.
Eat it.
It's gonna be hot. Is it hot?
ฝาไม่ร้อนข้างบนยก
Oh no. This is gonna be weird.
Okay, put it out.
But it's hot, okay? Okay, now we are done. Really weird taste. It's bitter.
Okay.
What can I do to make it sweet?
Okay. One more taste. Taste again.
No.
Okay. Say bye bye to
YouTube.
YouTuber. Wait. Okay.
Okay, bye bye. Today,
หันมา
yeah, eat this. Try to make the recipe. It will be really good for you, but really bad for me. Goodbye.